A healing cucumber and garlic salad lowers cholesterol and regulates high blood pressure. The medical experts say that high blood pressure is a common condition in which the long-term force of the blood against your artery walls is high, which means that it may eventually cause health problems, such as heart disease. You should also know that the more blood your heart pumps and the narrower your arteries, the higher your blood pressure. The condition can easily go undetected and contribute towards heart disease and stroke. According to the latest statistics, in the United States alone, 70 million adults suffer from the condition. This is equal to roughly 40% of adults over the age of 25. The medical experts say that there are many different factors and causes, which can contribute to this health problem, such as stress, poor diet, and physical inactivity. These factors can increase your risk of developing high blood pressure. The condition is also linked to high cholesterol. But you should be worried because in this video we are going to show you the best pressure regulating foods and the best homemade salad, which will lower your cholesterol levels and regulate your high blood pressure. This means that you should consume these foods every day, and you should definitely try this cucumber garlic salad. Pressure regulating foods. 1. Cucumber. First, you should know that these super healthy veggies are full of water, fiber, potassium, and magnesium. Potassium, this mineral helps balance the amount of sodium in your cells, which can contribute towards atherosclerosis. And fiber regulates blood pressure and also helps reduce cholesterol, prevent type 2 diabetes, and boosts weight loss. 2. Garlic. We can easily say that garlic is one of the healthiest foods on the planet. Many people around the world use raw garlic as a traditional remedy to control high blood pressure, low blood pressure, high cholesterol, inherited high cholesterol, coronary heart disease, heart attack, reduced blood flow due to narrowed arteries, and atherosclerosis. Many different studies have confirmed that allicin, the active compound found in garlic, may use the same mechanism as blood pressure drugs called ACE inhibitors to lower blood pressure. It's believed that garlic prevents the creation of angiotensin II, a hormone, and helps relax blood vessels. And as we said, garlic is also extremely useful and effective in controlling the LDL cholesterol. Cucumber garlic salad. Note, you should make this cucumber garlic salad every day, to improve your cardiovascular health. You will need the following ingredients. 3 garlic cloves, 1 cucumber, 3 to 4 tablespoons of water, 1/2 - 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar. Directions. Here's what you need to do. First, you need to peel the garlic and crush it with the side of your knife and set it aside. After that, you need to wash the cucumber and cut it into small pieces. Add the cucumber to a large glass bowl. Now, you need to mince the garlic and add to the mixture. Add the vinegar and water and adjust if necessary. Note, you can garnish with mint leaves and serve. Enjoy your cucumber garlic salad. We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family.